In this World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you the shortest route from Stormwind City all the way to Kalimdor, Teldrassil and Darnassus. I will show you how to get from Stormwind to Darnassus in WoTLK, because Wrath of the Lich King is also known as WoTLK. So what you have to do, get here on the port of Stormwind, and you'll have to get to the first dock, is this one. You'll have to get this boat. Let me see if I can catch it in time, because it's been here for a while, so I will be aboard. Alright, and I catch the boat. So make sure you'll get to the port of Stormwind, to this exact dock, and when this boat will arrive, get aboard it. And I will get back to you once I will arrive in Darkshore. Okay, and with this boat you'll arrive in Darkshore, as I told you, and we have many docks inside Darkshore. Right here you'll arrive. Okay, and from here we'll have to take a different boat, which will take us to Teldrassil, and we can enter Darnassus after that. So you'll arrive here. Let's jump out of this boat, and don't get aboard that boat. That boat will take you to, let me show you, to Azermast Islands right here at Exodar. So don't take that boat. You will have to wait right here for this exact boat. Alright, so I'll get back to you once this one arrives. There it is. I think I waited just like a minute. It wasn't that much. Usually you'll have to wait like 2 or 3 minutes. If the boat just left and you didn't catch it, you'll have to wait like 2 or 3 minutes. So that being said, this is the last boat which you'll have to take, because after that, when we reach at the Teldrassil shore, we'll take a portal straight to Darnassus. Okay, and we just arrived at the shore of Teldrassil. I just got an achievement. Let's jump on this dock, and from here you will have to go forward. I will show you from where you can take the portal if you never use it. Okay, so you'll have to get here. At the right is a griffon, a master, and you'll have to get forward and get under this route, and I will show you what will happen. You'll be teleported straight to Darnassus with 0 fees. They will not charge anything. So this is how to get from Stormwind to Darnassus in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.